I just set a goal that most people would call impossible. 3,000 subscribers in just 30 days. That means I'm going from roughly 7,000 subscribers to 10,000 in just 1 month. No buying subscribers, no fake growth hacks, no relying on luck, just a strategy, a deadline, and complete transparency. Over the next 30 days, I'm gonna document everything I'm doing to try to hit this goal. The videos, the thumbnails, the mistakes, the wins, and the actual numbers behind the scenes. And if it works, you'll have a blueprint you can use on your own YouTube channel. Now, before I get into the strategy, I want to be real with you about something. I almost did not make this video because putting a number like 3,000 subscribers on camera with a 30-day deadline is terrifying. If I fail, you're gonna see it. The numbers don't lie. The analytics don't lie. And I'm gonna be showing you everything. But that's exactly why I decided to do it. Because I'm tired of YouTube channels that only show the wins. The highlight reels, the I grew 100,000 subscribers and here's how to do it videos that leave out every mistake, every bad week, and every moment where they almost quit. That's not what this is. This is real. This is live. And whether I hit 3,000 subscribers or fall flat on my face, you're gonna see every single step of it. So let's talk about why I picked this goal. Why 3,000 subscribers? Why 30 days? And why I actually believe it's possible. Right now, my channel sits around 7,000 subscribers. And I want to be honest with you about something. Going from 0 to 7,000 was not a straight line. There were months where I gained maybe 50 subscribers, months where I lost subscribers, months where I posted consistently and felt like I was talking to nobody. And I know a lot of you watching this right now know exactly what it feels like. But something shifted recently, and I started to understand, like really understand, what YouTube actually rewards. And I want to test that understanding against a real deadline with real stakes. 3,000 subscribers in 30 days would mean I'm adding subscribers at roughly 10 times the rate I was adding them 6 months ago. That's not a small jump. That's a completely different level of growth. And here's why I think it's possible. I've spent months studying what actually works on YouTube. Not the theory, not the advice that sounds good but doesn't move the needle. The actual mechanics of how the algorithm decides which videos to push and which ones to bury. And I've been quietly testing those mechanics on my own channel. The results have been encouraging, but I've never pushed it all together at once. I've never gone all in with a clear strategy and a hard deadline. That's what this 30 days is all about. I'm not gonna hide this strategy and reveal it all at the end of the 30 days. That's not how this works. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm doing right now, so you can follow along, test it yourself, and see if it works in real time. This strategy has 4 parts. Part 1, the biggest mistake I made my first year on YouTube was making videos I wanted to make instead of videos people were actually searching for. So for this 30-day challenge, every single video I post is going to be validated before I film a single second of footage. That means I'm going to YouTube's search bar, finding what people in my niche are actively looking for right now, and building my content around those searches. Not guessing, not hoping, validating. I'm also going to be studying the outliners in my niche. Those are videos that are performing way above average for a channel similar to mine. If a channel with 5,000 subscribers has a video sitting around 200,000 views, I want to know why. What did they do differently? What was the title? What was the thumbnail? What was the hook? And how can I create my own version of that for my audience? Part 2, every video I make this month starts with a thumbnail and title, not the content. I know it sounds backwards, but here's the truth. If I can't create a thumbnail and title that makes someone stop scrolling and feel like they have to click, the video doesn't get made. Because the best content in the world gets 0 views if nobody clicks on it. I'm going to be testing multiple thumbnail versions on every video using YouTube's A/B testing feature. And I'm going to be tracking my click-through rate obsessively because getting that number above 10% is one of the fastest ways to signal to the YouTube algorithm that your video is worth pushing to a wider audience. Part 3, I've learned that YouTube makes its decision about your video in the first 30 seconds. If people are clicking off before the 30-second mark, YouTube stops pushing your video. It doesn't matter how good the rest of the content is. The damage is already done. So every video I post this month is going to open with a hook that does 3 things immediately. It confirms the viewer clicked on the right video. It creates a curiosity gap that makes them want to keep watching. And it teases something coming later in the video that they don't want to miss. No slow intros. No, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just straight into value every single time. In part 4, I'm gonna post at least 1 video per week for the next 30 days. That's only 4 videos, but not just any video. Every video uploaded is going to be intentional. Every video is going to be built around that strategy I just laid out. And every video is going to be better than the last one. Because here's something most people get wrong about consistency. Posting consistently doesn't mean the same quality over and over. It means showing up consistently and improving consistently. Every video should be a small upgrade on the one before it. That's the standard I'm holding myself to for the next 30 days. Every week, I'm going to give you an update. No hiding the numbers, no cherry picking the good stuff. You're going to see my subscriber count in real time. You're going to see the view counts on every video I post. You're going to see my click-through rates, my average view duration, and my impressions. You're going to see what worked and what didn't. And you're going to see me adjust the strategy in real time based on what the data is telling me. Because that's the part most YouTube growth videos leave out. The adjustments. The moment something isn't working and you have to figure out why and pivot fast. I'm not going to pretend I have all the answers, but I'm going to figure it out right in front of you. And I think that's going to be more valuable to you than any polished success story I can tell you after the fact. I want to be clear about something. This challenge isn't about just hitting a number. It's about proving something I genuinely believe. And I want you to believe in too. Growing on YouTube is not about luck. It's not about going viral. And it's not about having the best camera and the most polished editing. It's about understanding how the platform works and executing a clear strategy consistently over time. I've seen channels with terrible production quality blow past 100,000 subscribers because they understood the strategy. And I've seen channels with incredible production quality stuck at 500 subscribers because they didn't. The strategy is about what matters, and that's what these 30 days is gonna prove. If I hit 3,000 subscribers, you have a real documented step-by-step blueprint that you can take and apply to your own channel right now. Not theory, not advice from someone who grew their channel 5 years ago when YouTube was completely different. A blueprint that works in 2026 on a channel like yours with a real deadline and real stakes. And if I don't hit it, you have something valuable. You'll see exactly where the strategy broke down. You'll see what you could have done differently. You'll learn more from watching me fail in real time than you would from watching 100 success story videos. Either way, you win. I'm gonna be completely honest. This challenge is gonna be hard. There's gonna be weeks where the numbers aren't moving the way I want them to. There's gonna be videos that flop. There are gonna be moments where I question whether this was a good idea. And I need you in my corner, not just as a viewer, as someone who's on the journey with me. If you're a small YouTuber who's trying to grow their channel, this challenge is for you. Every update I give, every strategy I share, every mistake I made, it's all information you can use on your own channel. So subscribe now. Turn on notifications because every video I post over the next 30 days is going to have something you can take and use immediately. And drop a comment down below right now. Tell me how many subscribers you have today because I want to check in with you after the end of the 30 days and see how much you've grown too. Let's do this together. The clock starts now. Day 1, 7,000 subscribers. Goal, 10,000. Let's see what happens. Now that you know exactly what I'm doing and why, make sure you're subscribed, notifications are on, because the first video update is coming sooner than you think. And if you want to start growing your channel right now while you wait, YouTube thinks you'll enjoy this video next.